Welcome to Shuvviv Software Private Limited. The Shuvviv Exchange Recovery Manager is a one-stop solution that tackles the intricate Exchange server corruption issues. The software is recommended by Microsoft MVPs. Some of the highlighted features of the software are that it allows users to add multiple sources, such as EDB, Exchange Server Mailboxes, Office 365 Mailboxes, Outlook Profile Stores, and Public Folder, and Archived Mailboxes. And, if your EDB file gets corrupted, the software also allows you to recover your EDB file. The software also provides various export options, where you can export added source into PSD files. Allow to export add source mailboxes into Exchange Server and in Office 365 mailboxes. You can also export the added source mailbox into Exchange Server and in Office 365 mailbox, Archive Mailbox, and in Public Folder. Using this software, you can export added source mailboxes into extensions like MSG, EML, HTML, etc. If you want to extract only attachments from added source mailboxes, the software allows you to do so. There are also search option to search any specific items using various criterias. The software also provides several options at the time of exporting the mailboxes. As you can split your PSD file by providing your desired file size limit at the time of export. The software also provides options to prevent duplicate items at the time of export. While exporting in PSD, use incremental export option to prevent duplicacy. And while exporting in Office 365 or in Live Exchange Server, use Export All Items option to prevent duplicate items. It also provides a mailbox mapping option at the time of export, where you can export the source or target mapping list into CSV format. You can also map source with target mailboxes by using CSV file or map source option. The software also provides an advanced option like folder mapping, where you can provide the source and the target folder to export the data of the source folder to the target folder. It also provides an option of email translation to change the improper email display address. Software also provides an item filter option, where you can select the message class filters and can also provide the message date filters. The software supports all versions of Exchange Server and is compatible with all MS Outlook versions. Outlook 2013 is recommended. To download the software, you may visit www.shuvviv.com/exchangerecoverymanager.html and install the software. As you open the software, the home screen of the tool will appear. Click on Demo to check out the demo version of the software. In this video, we are only showing the Office 365 to Office 365 migration process. Now, an Add Source window will appear, from where you have to select Office 365 Mailboxes to add a source. Here, you have to provide Office 365 Global Admin username and password. Now, you have to select a server name, which you can change as per your location. The software provides an option to grant access rights of mailboxes to your global ID and also provide a user guide. If the software is not accessing the mailboxes and you are getting MAPI error, then select the pre-configured admin Outlook profile to access the mailboxes. You can create the Outlook profile manually too. Make sure Outlook profile must be online. Click Next to proceed. Here, you can provide a user mail manually or by clicking Add button. You can also add mailboxes from CSV file, or can export mailboxes list into CSV format. You can click here to select the mailboxes by using CSV file. Now, you have to select your desired mailboxes and click on Finish button. Click on Office 365 Mailboxes Export option. A window will appear from where you can select the folders and subfolders which you want to export. After selecting the folders and subfolders, click Next. A window will appear. Here you can select a target where you want to export your mailboxes in Office 365. To fetch your mailboxes from Office 365, provide your Office 365 Global Admin username and password. If the software is not accessing the mailboxes and you are getting MAPI errors, then select the pre-configured admin Outlook profile to access the mailboxes. You can create the Outlook profile manually too. Make sure Outlook profile must be online. If the mailboxes neither accessing by the global admin credentials, then choose this option to access all the mailboxes using Outlook profile. Please configured global admin Outlook profile. Outlook profile must be in online mode. Make sure to assign the delegate rights of other Office 365 user mailboxes to the Outlook profile user. Check here to fetch all mailboxes from global address list of Outlook. If all mailboxes are not fetched in both options, you can also add mailboxes manually, one by one, or using CSV. Click Next to proceed. You can export source or target mapping list into CSV file format. You can map source with target mailboxes by using CSV file or map source option. Select the mailbox and click OK. If the mailbox is missing, you can add it manually or by CSV file. Select the mailbox and click OK. Click on Validate Target to check the selected mailbox's validity. After the validation process is complete, click Next. Here, you can filter items using Message Class Filter and Message Date Filter. Export all items. In case your process gets interrupted, uncheck this box to resume the process and prevent duplicity. It also provides a user guide. The software has an advanced option as folder mapping and email translation. Here you can select the thread count and provide a desired filter option, such as last modification time, message creation time, message delivery time, and client submit time. Check the box to process the hard deleted items. Here you can use folder mapping and email translation. To apply the email translation on recipients, uncheck the box below. Click Next to start the process. The demo version will process the first 50 items per folder. Click Save. A message box will appear. Click Yes to check the report. This is the simplest way by which you can migrate Office 365 to Office 365 mailboxes. For any sales-related query, mail us at sales@shoviv.com. For any support-related query, mail us at support@shoviv.com. And to contact us, visit www.shoviv.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.